All right, so we got this is the Zuru Rainbocorns Mamacorn Surprise, and we already got one open. We could not wait on it. So these two come with a little baby on the outside, which is super cool. And what? We already got one opened up. That is super sweet. You got all these little extra stuff, and let's see what we're working with on that one. Here we go. So we're gonna see. Oh, so we got a little teal one. We have a purple one on the other side.
There's this part that the baby goes in.
Oh, there's a little pocket for the baby to go in.
Let's open up the baby.
Open up the baby.
Oh. There's a little hole in it.
Oh, that's because it pops on the back of this. Very neat. What else we got in here? This has some, I don't know, some surprises on the inside of it. Maybe some stickers, a collector's guide, which is super cool. All here ready to go in this thing. You can also put the egg back together if you want to. Has its cool unicorn. Absolutely. How we got a baby out there yet?
I'm trying.
Trying.
Thanks for
Okay.
the silver.
All right. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and get it all the way open here, and look at that, the little baby. There it is.
It's gonna match the big baby.
So definitely gonna match. Can we open yours, sweetheart?
I got it. Look.
Okay. Oh, that is super cool. Check that out.
They match.
So these are, again, the Zuru Rainbocorns Mamacorn Surprise. So you got all kinds of different options and stuff that come along with it. Let's see if we can get this up. Okay,
I think it's gonna match that one.
I'm hoping.
I think it's gonna match. I think it's gonna match.
Oh, yours is a little different. You got a different color here, a little pink one. That's super cute. And then all the little stuff to go along with it. So guys, you definitely got to check it out.